Hi everyone, Trishna here. So in today's video, we're going to talk about another way or another tip for you to detach from the outcome whenever you're trying to manifest with the law of attraction. So one of the things that I like to do is whenever I'm really stuck on something or stuck on some version of reality that I really want for it to be something different. What I like to do is I like to think up ideas on how I could solve whatever problem I have in my life, how I could solve it, like what the best approach would be for me. And really, whenever it comes to manifesting, you want to give up creative control to the universe because it sees everything at that higher dimensional view, and it really knows the fastest path to anything that will bring us happiness and joy and whatever it is that we're looking for. But if I ever really get, so I have that always in mind, but if I ever really get stuck, what I like to do is sometimes I like to think about my problem and I like to write down a bunch of solutions, or at least one solution for that problem that I would like to go away. And I find that that really puts me in this like very solution oriented mindset. And because of that, number one, I feel a little bit of relief because I'm like, at the very least, if I don't manifest this through the universe, I have the solution that I can just go ahead and implement myself, if I really needed to. So, that gives me a sense of relief because, it makes me feel like I have a little bit of control in the situation and I have a backup plan for the universe. You should always really trust the universe because, like I was saying before, it sees everything in a higher dimension and knows all. But, sometimes we do get into our 3D minds and lose a little bit of trust and lose a little bit of faith in how things are going to work out. And so having my own version of a solution releases that attachment to needing a certain manifestation to occur in a certain way, and it relieves me because like I have some kind of backup plan, and it just puts me in the solution oriented mindset now because I see a solution. So now I'm in the vibration of a solution coming to me because I already have a solution in mind. I'm already comfortable that there is some out for me. So that's something that I think would really help you. It certainly has helped me at times. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Leave me a comment if you have a question, and I will see you in my next video with another tip on how to detach from the outcome.